So here in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can create your Stripe account from India. So as you all know, Stripe has suspended all its business operation from 2024, and when you try to register for Stripe gateway and select India as country, then there you will see this message: Stripe is available by invite only in India. That means if Stripe invite your business, then only you can use their gateway, otherwise there is no option. But however, you see this, there is the Stripe account which we created for our client. You see this. What's the process? If Stripe doesn't onboard new merchants from India, then how we are able to create Stripe account for our client? So there are two methods how you can create Stripe account from India. First, if you have a software business, then things are little bit easy for you. Second, if it's not software, you are dealing with e-commerce store, drop shipping site, or any other business, then there will be a different method. And for softwares, those are into software industry, for them there is a different method. First, if you have a software store, then what you have to do is you have to create proper documentation, policies, import export code, all these things service we also provide, so you can take also. After it, what we do is we share all these details to Stripe and request them to send you an invitation for your business. And if you have a decent transaction history and all your documents are good, then they will send you an invitation, and there you can onboard on Stripe as a merchant. Now if you are not into software category and if your business is something different, then what you can do is you have to create a US LLC, which will cost you around $250 to $500. In this also I have made a proper video how to create US LLC, how to apply for Stripe, how to get US bank account, how to get US phone number, all these things I have shared. So in the description there is videos you can watch, and if you want our services, then definitely you can contact me. And after you create your US LLC, what you have to do is all the documents that you will get from there, your EIN number, your US bank account details, your US phone numbers. From those details you can create your Stripe account. There you have to change your country from India to US, and you have to onboard on Stripe. This account you see this one my client account, this is also in the same thing. There also we did the same thing. This account owner is Indian, but what we did, we first create the owner LLC in US, and after it, through those details we create our Stripe account. So user is Indian, but the company is registered in US. So this is the process how you can get Stripe account in India. You see this, there is this US phone number, and the address is also of US. We have taken a virtual address for this. So this is the process how you can get your US LLC from India. First you have to create your LLC in US, and after it, when you get all the documents, you have to submit it in Stripe, and after it, Stripe will accept you as a merchant. So this is the process how you can create a Stripe account in India through US LLC. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.